The great thing about trading Forex is that you don't need a lot of money. Most people think you need thousands and thousands of dollars to trade with, and that's absolutely false, guys. Um, what I specialize in is growing small accounts. I love the fact that you can take a small amount and grow it into a large amount. Now, sometimes it can be difficult if you don't have the right strategy or if you don't know what you're doing. Okay. When it comes down to growing small accounts, it's all about your risk and it's all about taking confirmation setups. So, what we're going to be doing is doing a new 25 pip challenge. Okay. And we're going to be doing this using Vinnie's trading cheat code. All right. But before we get into that challenge, let me acknowledge a few people here in our Telegram group, guys. So, what I recently started doing is acknowledging and giving out certificates of achievement for people who've made over $1,000 with Vinnie's trading cheat code. So just want to shout out to Wayne. He's made over $30,000 with Vinnie's trading cheat code. I want to shout out to Charlene. She's made over $10,000 using Vinnie's trading cheat code. Shout out to KP. He's made over $20,000 using Vinnie's trading cheat code. And also to William. He's made over $10,000 with Vinnie's trading cheat code. And shout out to Kale, who's made over $500,000 with Vinnie's trading cheat code. So there's going to be a lot more members with that are getting certificates. If you are a member of Vinnie's trading cheat code and you've made over $1,000 in real prop funds or with live trading funds, send an email. Email will be inside of our group, and go ahead and send that email, and we'll get you over a certificate. So, welcome to the 25 Pimp Challenge. This is a new challenge, and I'm excited, very, very excited about it. Um, we're going to take a modest $60 and we're going to grow it into whatever amount that we can. Now, this is going to last 60 trading days. Okay. It's going to last 60 trading days. And I'm going to document this. And every trade will be sent out in our via email or the Telegram group. So we have a Telegram group. And here is the actual Plexi trade account that I will be using to trade with. Okay. That is the broker that I'll be using with this 25 pip challenge. Now, there is something I've never done before, and I'm actually giving the money away. Okay, so I'm going to give away the money to the members inside of this free community. Now, it's totally free to join the 25 pip challenge. All you have to do is go to the website at the bottom below. That's 25pipchallenge.com. 25pipchallenge.com. And actually, let me show you the website so you guys can see. Here's the website. Go to this website here. Make sure you watch this video. It's imperative that you watch this video. Put your email address here. Get added to our email list. And that way you can receive the trades that I'm going to be trading with this 25 pip challenge. Okay. The broker, again, that I'll be using is Plexi Trade. Now, I am going to be giving the money away to one grand prize winner, and then also going to be 10 winners also. So a total of 11 winners, one grand prize winner, and then 10 winners. So whatever amount that I grow it to, let's just say, for an example, 20,000, that 20,000 is going to be split between the grand prize winner and also the 10 winners. So the grand prize winner will receive $10,000 and the other 10 winners will receive $1,000. Okay. Now, there's no purchase necessary. The only requirement is that you must join the Telegram group and you must have a Plexi Trade account. Also, the grand prize winner must be a member of Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code. Okay. Other than that, it's totally free to join, and you can take the same trades that I'll be taking through this challenge. Okay. So let's get into it. What do we have this week? This week, we're going to be looking for high probability setups. All right. So one of the setups that I see right now is going to be Euro CHF. Okay, we have a CC buy, we have divergence. Price just broke the HMA here, and we're already getting some bullish movement here on Euro CHF. So this will be a trade that I'll be looking to take this week in the market for Euro CHF. Okay. Now on the HPS scanner, we have on the daily time frame, we have um, BTC Bitcoin, we have CAD JPY, and we have USD JPY. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick to see what we have here. We have a buy on a Bitcoin. Okay. So we can see that the current price action on Bitcoin is bearish. All right. We haven't had a break of the HMA yet. So once we get that break of the HMA, probably on a lower time frame, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see if we got that break yet. No, we don't have that break. Price is still trending down. Okay. We don't have a CC buy or anything. So we're just going to simply sit on our hands and wait for confirmation for us to maybe buy Bitcoin. Okay. Let's go back to the daily time frame. We have CAD JPY for a sale on the HPS scanner. Let's take a look at that. Okay. So we have a CC sale here. Okay. For CAD JPY on the daily time frame. The next thing we want to do is make sure we have it also on the 4-hour time frame. Okay. So we do have it on the 4-hour time frame. So that's 2 time frames in sync. Let's see if we also have it on the 1-hour time frame. Okay. Now we don't have it on the 1-hour time frame just yet, but we do have divergence sell. So all we're going to simply do, guys, is simply wait for the 1-hour break and retest, and we can enter into this high probability setup for CAD JPY here on the 1-hour time frame. Let's go back to the 4-hour real quick. Okay. So now all I'm waiting for, guys, is for price to break the HMA. It hasn't broke yet, so now I'm not looking to enter. With this challenge, I'm only going to be entering trades that give me a confirmation. So what do I mean by that? So let's go to the daily time frame and let me show you the update that I had with the cheat code. Okay, on the cheat code, I added confirmation alerts to help you with the break and retest. But I want to show you it works on every single time frame. Okay, so we're going to show confirmation signals. All right, and we see here we have our confirmation alert. So if we take a look at this example here, we had the CC sale. Okay, price didn't break the HMA yet. This confirmation sale confirmed that price broke the HMA, and then price, after you get a strong push, price always pulls back just a little bit. We could have got in on that pullback and took this down for a quick sale. Okay, how many pips is that? Let's take a look real quick. That's 210 pips off the daily time frame. Okay, that's off the daily time frame. Now, since price is bullish here on CAD JPY, we also had a CC buy. Price actually touched the 47 HMA. We are above it, so that means we should be looking for buy opportunities, right? So here price was actually starting to move up, was bullish, but again, we want to wait for a confirmation buy. Okay, now if we go down to a lower time frame here, we're going to definitely get in at a better entry. But let's just say you wanted to trade off the daily time frame, you're a swing trader, and you're simply waiting for a confirmation buy. We got our confirmation buy here on this candle. We could have entered after the close of that candle. Okay, price went back how many pips? It went back 27 pips on you. All right, for a gain of 173, you could have took to the high here. Okay, for 173 pips move here on CAD JPY. So that's how easy Vinnie's trading cheat code makes trading. Okay, it's all about being patient and waiting for your setup, waiting for your confirmation sell, waiting for your confirmation buy. So we only take trades based off of the CC buy or CC sell. Okay. After we get a CC buy or CC sell, the next thing we're going to do is simply wait for a confirmation buy or sell, whatever direction we're trading in. And then we're going to enter after the close of that candle. Once the close of that candle happens, we will enter into a buy. Okay, that is going to be your safest way to get into a confirmed buy or sell of the trade. Now, for instance, if we take a look at this example here, let me get rid of this red line. Okay, price went outside the band, so this is a confirmed buy here, right? So if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we're going to get a better entry than we are if we got in on the daily time frame. And if again you go down to the 1-hour time frame, you're going to get a better entry than if you went and got in on the 4-hour time frame. So here is where the CC buy was on a daily time frame. We got the break of the HMA on this candle here, and now we could have got in here, could have got in after that confirmation buy, would have went through a little bit of drawdown, okay? Or you can just wait for price to come back and retest these lows and then get in and hold the trade, because again, you're trading off the daily time frame. All right, so you're going to hold that trade until it gets to your destination on the daily time frame. Okay, the key is to look for a confirmation. I'm sorry. The key is to look for a CC buy or CC sell on a higher time frame. Enter in on a lower time frame to get a better entry, and just watch it from the higher time frame. So if you're trading off the daily time frame, you may want to enter on a 4-hour or 1-hour time frame. Okay, but you're going to watch the trade on the daily time frame. Okay, if you watch it from the lower time frame, price will scare you out of your position. Okay, and you will close the trade early. Now, this is for swing trades. Okay, just want to give you an example of how that works. Now, with this challenge, we're going to be using the bread and butter strategy. And a bread and butter strategy is a very simple strategy. It's based off the 1-hour time frame. So if I go to, let's go to Euro USD. Okay, here on Euro USD, let's say we wanted to take this sell here. All right, so price went outside the band here. This was a confirmation. I'm sorry, this was a CC sell. Price went outside the band. All we would have to do is wait for a confirmation sell on the 15-minute time frame. So 1-hour signal, 15-minute break. Okay. So here is where we would have entered on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Remember, this is the confirmation sale on the 15-minute time frame. We wait for the close of the candle. Price pulls back just a little bit, and then price melts away. Okay. For a total of how many pips? Let's see if we would have held that trade until the supply area. That's going to be a total of 19 pips. It dropped actually 30 pips. So you could have held it until you got your 25, and then you're simply out of the trade. So that's how we're going to be using the 25 pip challenge, guys. 1-hour signal for a CC buy or CC sell. Wait for a confirmation entry on the 15-minute time frame and enter the trade. Okay. Now, again, we're only going to take trades when we have the highest probability setup. We're also going to only take trades when there's no major news events, okay? Because we're not trying to blow our account. We're just slowly trying to grow a small account. That's all we're trying to do. So I want you guys to join me. Make sure you join the free community. Go to 25pipchallenge.com. That's 25pipchallenge.com. Make sure you follow the instructions, and I will see you guys inside of the group. Thank you.